you have to first log into your candidate portal and fill up your username, which is your user ID, your email ID with which you had filled your application form. After that, you put in your password and then you log in. So you can see that the results tab has opened up in front of you. The result tab for your information is on the right hand corner. And you see that there is an accept offer button. So you can go and accept the offer, click on the button. Okay. Okay again. And then what opens up in front of you is step two, where you have to upload all your documents. So we will start by uploading the documents here. Give your percentage, upload the conversion formula. Upload your graduation marks, transcript, okay, work experience, the number of months you have worked for, upload the annual report, employment proof 1, which can be your offer letter, and you can submit. So your information has now been submitted, and you can pay your fees after your documents are verified. We suggest that you can return after 2 days and check your dashboard, and your make payment option will be enabled.